Hi, to customize your lock screen shortcuts on your Samsung Galaxy S24 FE, as a first step, turn on your phone but do not unlock it. Stay on the lock screen. And now, as a next step, hold your finger on any empty place until you'll get to this editor menu. And we got here two main shortcuts, which are on the bottom corners. One is on the right and one is on the left. So by clicking on them here, we'll be able to see whole list with all of the features that are available as a shortcut. So at the top, you will see the shortcuts that do not require unlocking the phone, and under this, you can see the shortcuts that are required to unlock the phone. So here we got things as calculator, camera, do not disturb mode, flashlight, and voice recorder. Or you can even delete any shortcut here and this place will just stay empty. And we also got the same shortcut thingy on the left side and it looks basically the same. So here you can choose the most useful features for you so you will easily reach them on your lock screen. After you are done, click on this down button and this is it. I hope this video was helpful and thanks for watching.